Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to bake apple egg with soy milk. Hope you like it. This recipe can be eaten for breakfast or afternoon tea. The crispy sweet and sour apples and baked custard are eaten together. It's a bit like eating apple cake, and it's not sweet at all and is very delicious. The original recipe to add milk, but I changed it to soy milk, and the result tastes amazingly good too. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: apples, soy milk, eggs. Peel and cut apple into thin slices. Cover baking plate with baking paper. Arrange apple slices into baking plate. Crack eggs into bowl. Add 120 milliliters soy milk. Add 1 tablespoon sugar. Adjust sugar portion to your own preferred sweetness. Mix and beat evenly. Sieve egg liquid. Garnish with your favorite mixed nuts or raisin. It's now ready to bake. Send to oven and bake until it's fully cooked. Apple egg is done. Smells so good. Looks appetizing and can't wait to have a bite. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? By the way, if you are looking for healthy low-carbohydrate recipes, welcome to check out my healthy recipe playlist where there are 388 recipes waiting for you, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Apples are a good source of nutrients, including fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants which can help support healthy digestion, brain health, and weight management. There is evidence that apples can also protect against certain chronic diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. Is apple good for men? Apples contain quercetin, a type of flavonoid that helps treat erectile dysfunction. Apple peel contains ursolic acid, a compound known for stopping prostate cancer cells from growing. Apples promote bone health. Due to a unique bone-building phytonutrient called fluorescein, apples can help improve bone density and reduce bone breakdown for women after menopause. What are the benefits of eating eggs? Some health benefits of eating eggs include that they are nutritious, high in protein, may help lower heart disease risk, can support eye health, and can help with losing or maintaining weight. Is it okay to eat eggs every day? Because of their numerous benefits, it's okay to eat one whole egg, including the egg yolk, every day if you don't have cardiovascular disease and you do have a healthy level of blood cholesterol. Or you can mix 2 egg whites with every egg yolk to give yourself more protein. Is 2 eggs a day too much? For most healthy adults, it's safe to eat 1-2 eggs a day depending on how much other cholesterol is in your diet. If you already have high cholesterol or other risk factors for heart disease, it may be best to eat no more than 4-5 eggs per week. Do eggs improve skin? Eggs are loaded with vitamins and minerals such as vitamins A, D, and E, which beautify the skin, speed up its recovery, and inhibit aging. Soy milk is a nutritious beverage that can provide a variety of health benefits, including heart health. Soy milk may help lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. Blood pressure. Soy milk is high in potassium, which can help maintain a regular pulse and lower blood pressure. Inflammation. Soy milk has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation. Weight management. Soy milk is low in calories and high in protein, which can help with weight maintenance or weight loss. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.